Hi, welcome to Copycat.
Welcome to this video about declaring a variable in Python. Unlike some other languages, in Python we need not declare a variable with some special data type. Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created when some value is assigned to it. The value assigned to a variable determines the data type of that variable. Let's take some examples to understand how to declare variables in Python. Let's let's take a value, assign a value 5 to the variable x. In this example, we declare a variable name x and assign it the value 5. Python automatically determines the data type of the variable x based on the assigned value, which in case is an integer. Let's see the output of this. With the next command, let's see the data type of this x. Here we can see that the data type of the x is integer. Let's see with another example. Let's take a variable called name and assign it a value string. Here we declare a variable name and assign its value John. The data type of the variable name is string, so it is assigned to a string value. Let's see the output of. Here we can see the variable type name is a string. Let's see with the third example. Here I am assigning to this variable